Investing is the act of putting your money into assets with the goal of growing your wealth over time. At its simplest level, investing is about making your money work for you, rather than just letting it sit in a bank account. While returns vary, the stock market has historically provided growth that helps investors outpace inflation over long periods. Investors typically choose between these asset classes to balance their desire for growth against the risk of losing principal. Saving is for money you need soon, while investing is a strategy for long-term goals like retirement. Because of compound interest, the longer your money stays invested, the more time it has to multiply significantly. Successful investors focus on staying invested consistently, rather than trying to predict the exact right moment to buy or sell. Investing is a lifelong skill. Remember to research your options carefully. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more basics.